Welcome to another episode of this Python course. In this episode, we're going to continue taking a look at control flow, how we can control the execution of our Python program. So in the past, we looked at if statements, else if, and else. Today, we're looking at while loops. So to set the scene, we have written out an objective. Our objective is, while we are below £100, we want to keep working. So this is while is a type of loop where something, i.e. a block of code, will continue running until a condition is met. In our case, the condition is when we have reached £100. So I've defined a few variables here just in advance, just so we don't waste any time. And to briefly run over it, we're getting £10 per hour. We're working 5 hours each day. And each iteration, each while loop iteration is a day. So based on this logic, we expect to have 2 iterations to reach our goal. That's the expected. Why? Because 5 times 10 is 50, and we want to reach £100, so it's only going to take us 2 days. So let's go implement this. We begin by using the while keyword, which will begin our while loop. We then want to have a condition. So in our case, it will be current balance, while our current balance is less than our balance goal. Because then, when we hit our goal, we want to stop. We don't want to continue executing the same code. So we can then say pay today is equal to the hours worked times by the hourly rate. And then we want to add the pay to our balance that we've worked for. So we can say current balance plus equals pay today. So you're probably wondering what this plus or minus does. And this essentially just adds this value to current balance. It does not reset it. If we were to use equals, it would reset current balance every iteration. We don't want that. We want to add to our current balance. We want to increment. So let's just have a print function just so we can understand the code better. We can say new balance at the end of the day, and then we want to append by casting current balance to a string because it's currently a floating point. And then we want to run this code. And there we go. We can see it took 2 iterations. And what I will do is place another print function just at the bottom here, which we could have finished. And then if we run this, you can see that we have not got to the finished piece of code until the while loop finished. So this took precedence over any code beneath it because it's within this code block is within the while loop. So this can be a very, very useful technique depending on the problem you're trying to solve. Again, the condition here, remember you could put absolutely anything you like. It could be while something is true, false, equal to, it's completely up to you. And the code within the while loop is, again, completely up to you. I hope you found this useful. Please leave any comments, like and subscribe for more content like this. If there's anything you would like to see in the future, just let me know, and I'm sure that could be accommodated.